If you want tickets migrated correctly, do specific settings in Salesforce Service Cloud before starting a free demo. Check if the profile agents have a Salesforce license and if the Modify All Data Permissions is on. Here's how to check profile licenses. Under Administration, go to Users. Then pick Profiles. In a new page, check if all profiles have a Salesforce license. As soon as you are done, enable the Modify All Data permission. In the same page, where you've checked a Salesforce license, locate the profile you need to change and select Edit. Once you have the profile open, scroll down to Administrative Settings. Then find the Modify All Data and put a tick next to it. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click Save. Lastly, check if all agents are assigned to the profile which has the permission to modify all data. Under Users, go to Users. There you see all users and profiles they have assigned to them. If you need to change the license and profile for the user, select Edit and do so. When you are done, apply new settings. Now you can continue your Salesforce migration.